Hey there, folks. All right, just another quick unboxing. This is the last of the Christmas giveaway stuff, and this one comes from Pit Stop Scale Model Garage, aka BNSF 6951, aka Vinny. So yeah, this is every year Vinny does an awesome giveaway. So Vinny used to be in do the model railroading thing, and lately he switched over to doing other types of modeling, cars and tanks, and I think his thing is if it floats, flies, or drives, something like that, he builds it. But so yeah, so every year he does a Christmas giveaway, and there's like several different categories you can choose from, except model railroading this year. But he said next year he's gonna get back to that. But anyways, I'll put a link in the description to both of his channels. So yeah, so every year he just he does a giveaway, which is awesome. And I was lucky enough to have my name drawn this year again. And let's see what we got. All right, so this is what we won this year. It's a trumpeter, United States Marine Corps light or LAV-R light armored vehicle recovery. So yeah, this is going to be awesome. You know, thanks again, Vinny. Always have a blast spending part of my Christmas with you and the followers and everyone else there, and look forward to seeing you getting back to some model railroading stuff too, hey? And also I'll probably join in on your group build, but I just got to decide which one. I think I'm going to go maybe 68 Camaro. Just got to see what kits are available out there. I know a lot of them are EMT, and you know, I'll see if Ravel has one. So yeah, all right. I just want to give a big thanks to Vinny, and appreciate you, bud. This is awesome, and I'll be sure to do a build video. And of course, this was the one I'm building now. This was, I think, last year's. This is the kit I won last year, and I'm currently doing build videos on that, so stay tuned for an update on that build. So all right, folks, you know, again, another shout out to Vinny. I appreciate it, bud, and until next time, remember, be kind.